Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart. The weekly closed above this key support level, which if we look back here, this was the top, the cycle top for 2017 bull market. Now, there's a bunch of support right there. There's a bunch of buyers. We're going to zoom in for some more data, but I want you to notice this vertical yellow line. Down here, this shows oversold weekly RSI. Now, you have this huge capitulation candle. Like this is that huge sell-off candle. You had one here too. You had one here as well. This was the panic situation drop. Okay, here we almost had oversold RSI as well. So what happens is these market cycles, you'll get capitulation where you get all the sellers essentially sell. Right, everybody that's going to sell sells. When you run out of sellers, the price action forms some type of base. And here, back here in 2018, I mean, you had this long reaccumulation phase and then markup. Right here, it was because of the sharp drop, you got a stronger bounce to the upside. Right here, you had a pretty good bounce to the upside, but this wasn't the actual bottom of the market because now here we are. But if you understand this idea where after these huge moves by the price action, you can get many weeks of sideways price action. So if Bitcoin's down here doing nothing for an extended period of time, it's possible that potentially people get bored and start looking at some of the altcoins to trade. A lot of the altcoins have been decimated and we've seen some upside on the altcoins. But what I want to look at now is the move coming for Bitcoin. Sunday night, Monday morning, historically, you get a lot of moves out of Bitcoin because stock market's going to open tomorrow morning. So I wanted to get this quick video out to you guys. The 2-hour chart, and you can draw it as a falling, broadening wedge. But on the breakout, you just don't really have any volume. This thing is just moving sideways without any volume. Where's the buyers at right now? Where nobody's fumbling into $21,000 Bitcoin, right? Everybody got wrecked, sold fear, most of the market, and quit crypto, right? Bear markets are like this. And so this thing goes sideways. You can make a ton of money. The people that make the most money in this market, bear markets are amazing, but you have to understand how the market works to trade well and to do well in the bear market. But if you don't understand the rules of this game, you cannot win, period. If you think holding is still a viable strategy after altcoins got hit 70%, you're going to have a rough road because most of these altcoins are going to fail. Now, Bitcoin, 1-hour chart, interesting, woke up this morning to this bull trap where essentially everybody got faked out in this break above this resistance level right here at about 21,650 is strong overhead resistance. The most important thing to understand about this is if the bulls could break above here, then you're looking for upside. I'm not trying to predict the price action. I'm just trying to find the entry signal. Shorts could have potentially entered on this bull trap, right? Because it was a fake out. Bulls are trapped a little bit. I mean, this wasn't this type of move here where it came up here and really trapped the bulls, where it was a larger move to the upside like we saw here with this big drop that trapped the bears, and then you got this upside move, right? So we're looking for the traps. We're trying to counter trade the traps. It's that simple. This is slowly meandering sideways. The stock market is not really doing a whole lot. It's holding though. It's holding low, but does the stock market pull back? And we're going to talk about that in just a second. So again, you're paying attention to Bitcoin over the next 24 hours for a move based on how the stock market moves tomorrow. Some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started with $83, turned it into $1,142. That's more than 12x. This person made $10,000 on one trade. This person essentially 12x'd his money, started with $40, turned it into $743. This person, they quit their job after being in the group for 2 months. They were working on a cruise ship in Qatar. One of the best messages I get. I want to make sure I help as many people as possible quit their job. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. find the bangers every single day. 26%, 36%, 46, 57, 258% out of SWFTC. The small caps on KuCoin have had some serious upside. They are anomalies right now to what Bitcoin price action is doing. Got this phone giveaway to do. This is yesterday's video. I'm going to scroll down here, give it to Bitcoin on this comment that they just posted. Congratulations, Samsung S22 Ultra decked out phone, or you can choose the crypto option, $1,400. Email me and let me know what you want to do. Congratulations. This is stock market. You have this previous support, which is now resistance. And so right now the price action had this, we said previously a couple weeks ago that, hey, a bear trap here, which this is, would be a good reversal idea. Number one, you're looking at this resistance level. Does the price action get rejected here, or is it able to hook and go? But I mean, you've got overbought RSI. Okay, so we'll just back test this. Look, last time the price action was overbought, goes straight up here, and you kind of had this move to the downside. Okay, and so overbought here, move. This is a significant move to the downside, right? Same thing, overbought here, significant move to the downside. So this is overbought. It's hard for the price action to pump crazy, but it's still possible. Again, a lot of this is just wait and see what happens tomorrow morning. If you're in these coins and you're holding these coins, like you're worried about every single move in the price action constantly, you're going to wear yourself out. You're not going to want to look at this market. So yeah, Bitcoin bulls have got to break and hold with volume 21,700. That's all there is to it. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, this has been getting wrecked, which is good for the altcoins. This means, hey, altcoins, money is moving more so into the altcoins than into Bitcoin. Now you're at this, you could get a potential retest of this previous resistance, now support. So if you get a bounce here, not good for the altcoins. If this breaks back into this pattern, you'll get some altcoin movement, some positive altcoin movement. The problem is down here, you're oversold on the RSI, and then you have hidden bullish divergence, which is cool. So that means chances of a bounce are pretty likely. So a ton of reasons why you want to be patient into tomorrow's market open in the United States. Morgan Creek Capital, they're going to counter FTX's BlockFi bailout. So all the crypto lenders right now are in trouble. Morgan Creek is said to try to counter FTX's BlockFi bailout. So BlockFi's in some trouble. FTX is basically offered $250 million in revolving credit to BlockFi, right? But then Morgan Creek managing partner Mark Yusko said BlockFi hadn't received any of the equity financing options at the time. And so, hey, they want a piece of the action too. A 10% possibility that Morgan Creek gets involved in this, but it's not zero. So again, you're looking at all these crypto lenders need bailouts. We talked about Goldman Sachs. They're looking to raise $2 billion to buy Celsius Network. Celsius, again, they were paying out high interest rates. They didn't have a bunch of savings. Like when this market tanks, like the entire way these coins and projects and corporations operate gets completely stressed. That's exactly why I trade the market, because I'm not worried about these crypto lenders. You do not want to start borrowing money against your crypto, believe me. And dude, when you trade this market, you can make amazing returns, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.